Hello, I'm Grace Patchett and I'm the laboratory manager here at Aquatic Control. Today, I'm going to talk about the Advanced Water Quality Analysis Test Kit and explain how this test kit can be used to help you make smart management decisions based on your water body's unique water chemistry. The Advanced Water Quality Analysis can be used to determine the best management options for your water body. 3 to 4 days after your sample arrives at our laboratory, you'll receive a report that has all of our recommendations for management as well as the values that we analyzed in the laboratory. If you have a pond or lake that you recreate on, fish, or just simply enjoy the aesthetics of, this kit is for you. If you're also looking for data-backed management recommendations, then look no further. Our kit provides you everything you need to collect a sample from your water body with detailed sampling instructions, sample collection bottles, a chain of custody form, nitrile gloves, and ice packs. Once you've collected your samples, just drop your kit off at your nearest UPS or FedEx location for next day shipping. Taking a sample is quick and easy. Samples can be collected off of a dock or shoreline. If your water body is over 10 surface acres, we recommend taking more than one sample. We analyze all advanced water quality analysis samples for pH, alkalinity, hardness, chlorophyll A, conductivity, turbidity, total phosphorus, reactive phosphorus, and total nitrogen. Nutrient parameters are utilized to determine the trophic state of your water body and how many plants and algae could dominate your system. By understanding the ratio of your phosphorus to nitrogen, we can recommend targeted management. Water chemistry parameters help with selecting the right products and can assess the health and wellness of the fisheries reproduction as well. Lab results are translated into a detailed report with thorough explanations of what each parameter means and how your results compare to standards. Based on results, we'll summarize our recommendations and key findings and are always happy to answer any questions your lab results might inspire. Ready to get your water tested? Purchase an Advanced Water Quality Analysis Test Kit on our website today.